Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use retinol and hyaluronic acid together. First, cleanse your face thoroughly. Then, apply a few drops of hyaluronic acid serum to damp skin. This powerful humectant draws moisture into your skin, providing immediate hydration and preparing it for the next step. Next, gently apply a small, pea-sized amount of your retinol product. This combination helps minimize potential irritation from retinol while maximizing its benefits for smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Using these two ingredients together is a game changer for your skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid acts as a buffer, providing intense hydration that helps mitigate the dryness and irritation sometimes associated with retinol. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, is renowned for its ability to boost collagen production and accelerate cell renewal, effectively diminishing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Together, they create a powerful synergy, allowing you to reap the full benefits of retinol with significantly less discomfort. The correct application order is crucial for maximizing effectiveness and minimizing irritation. After cleansing, apply your hyaluronic acid serum to slightly damp skin. Allow it to absorb for a minute or two. Then, apply your retinol. It's best to use retinol only in your evening routine because it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Begin by using retinol 2 or 3 nights a week, and as your skin builds tolerance, you can slowly increase to every other night or even nightly if your skin tolerates it well. Remember, consistency is key, but so is listening to your skin. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every morning, as retinol increases sun sensitivity. If you experience excessive dryness, redness, or peeling, reduce your retinol frequency and ensure you're hydrating adequately. Consider using a gentle moisturizer after your retinol. Patience is a virtue with retinol. Visible results typically appear after several weeks of consistent use. If irritation persists, consult a skincare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.